What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making fried chicken wings. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need chicken wings, eggs, flour, cornstarch, hot sauce, seasonal, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Begin by whisking 2 eggs. To the chicken wings, add 1/4 cup of hot sauce and 2 whisked eggs. Season with seasonal, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper. Cover and marinate for an hour. For the dry batter, combine 1 cup of flour and 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Season with seasonal, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Whisk until combined. Now it's time to coat the chicken. Place your chicken wings in a dry batter. Make sure they're fully coated. Shake off any excess batter and place on a wire rack for 10 minutes. Fry chicken wings for 12 minutes or until golden brown. And there you have it, fried chicken wings. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.